Mwanju muliro Ndizi TV nande nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi yakana kukware na SMS Amayia iriyo mayo nato asangiri kuruya kete wikabone no kubori kwa naira no chinga kijawo chabe no rapati mangana ayo onyamanye ngakyandete kwateka minesco ya Gusii kuru chingongo nye chenze irianyi moja sugusu amo nabosongo no semeri kwa nani wandete kubwati asime wandete kubwati miroberi ya Ndizi TV nero bwansu goma Gusii na ningo kubona toska yenero Ndizi TV bwansu goma Gusii ningo tena bono na mangi na kware na Chinsa Ikomi karende asenjereri yoko ya chuta ikiagire uchikora gense yamona ryo chikanyora yo asenjera yobo kirano na kubori bana nje uyikomwere kero uyo kabero munyakiro gwekombekeri kyo bachoria munechimbe IB sobora chibukati anyara kawe kirana asege karokeria tribunal erigo kwanda ngakyama etobachori gwakoreganite umwaka olia ina ngati yali na koreganira semara bayaboni gano kubori kwa nekaranso ike inengwera yamo na mange Joshua Auta erora sansa meriyo munwe manyererio ekarabigali nyanja makone kuna maliogine chibichago chira senjira yabene na nje nyigo kwa yaretera Eliane Brighton Makori. Ekerabone tribunal eri anyarithige karosiwa no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto anekuri eri abachori bo mwaka wa 2022 anekrobo tutukanu banyarite bokorari babona abotutukanu bwa maite ko koborora kero munyakirobo bo bachori gosebwe kyombeki kya IBC umukoro wa Frajibkati na tagete go chererwe kerari gorari amachibo manene yo mwaka orie korengana anekyombeki ni bono ritukurara kyagendera ko twara gosiko sangiri birengererio ekero yo kabeiro munyakirobo bwe kyombeki bwa Frajibkati anyara kawe kasege karekyo na kwerera na gotebana ali akorekanite ekero chikura chinene kyakorekanite anekerari kurari amachibu yo murai bwenze boigo guchibukati gaderuna erekerara riti amachibu ayutanya ritiga kwebisa korende nigakorete korengana anerichiko.
Just go on then. So what I'm saying is all the commissioners had a chance to speak. As usual, normally allow them to express their views in any meeting, and this was one of those meetings. So basically, the commissioner must sit alongside the other three, said that we should consider these statements from the two gentlemen very seriously.
Should consider
yes.
The reward seriously.
Not the reward, the
yes.
statements.
We are talking about the reward here.
About the reward, they did not say anything. The Commissioner Masi did not say anything about the reward.
Okay.
Yeah, but it was more about the request.
All right.
Yes.
But you see, you adopted this statement, this affidavit. This is an affidavit under oath.
Yes.
You are a very senior lawyer. You know the meaning of an affidavit under oath.
Yes.
You said you mentioned only two to have supported you. So the inference is the other way.
I think we need to read the whole paragraph in context. The support here from Commissioner Molo and Professor was more on the substantive issue which was raised as to whether we should moderate the results or not.
Right.
Not on the issue of reward.
So you
yes.
had people who wanted to bribe, technically, the commissioners to subvert the will
yes.
of the people.
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
That is exactly what they left.
Ase jinga kije chuhaba wakiri barenge asegi karekyo nene bari bakuri percent ose bakwegerera abande asegi karekyo bakora wano mu wakiri Donald Kibkolil niko barorekana bakubori igoro ya bari bande bari asegi karekyo anekrabade abuna nabera rekana buna nabera abe ogwanjireria gochia sensemeli anene egote abuna chebukati na korete miremo yayabuya
in the UDA ticket. My friend Emmanuel Kibet, again, I never met Kibet before until this tribunal. But his business partner, Professor Githure Kindiki, is my friend. When Githure wanted to begin practice, legal practice from being a professor in the university, Yakel came to see me and we had a discussion, and I assisted him in setting up his law firm. So he's been my friend. But I'd never met Kibet. But I now know that Kibet is his legal partner. And Kibet is a joint secretary in this tribunal. And the Office of the President plays a very crucial role in this tribunal. Is the one that facilitated the setting up of this tribunal, and I know of my knowledge that's the one that's still financing the tribunal. Lastly, my friend Peter Munge, whom I've known forever since I began practice, is a partner of my classmate, Honorable Muriu, who is the MP for Gatanga. I've done so much work with also Muriu as lawyers in different transactions. Muriu, other than being the UDA MP for Gatanga, is a legal secretary of UDA. And he was also part of the legal team for the president in the Supreme Court. Peter comes from that law firm. So my issue, Mr. Chairman, seeking your guidance, I'm not asking that they step down, but I'm inviting them to examine their conscience.
Abaibori kurwa sukuru yentande yego toka sensema ya marani ni gabono babugurira mato na kuburobekana hanene karaba ko mochumar mu monene bwe sukuru eyo Nancy Odhiambo asibaterune sukuru eyo nigo yakoreta bobe asianyorte min ya 2.7 kurengana barabo abana bateruna ekarachi sukuru jinde chigenderete no mochengo netengo barabumbiriro bale ekere sukuru ibono yakorera bobe asibano baburi umwarimu oyu korusi gororo no mwarimu mongale etwe erinda bachiko karabuya asamatuko halebosio
achibona igaya narabete muwas igabeta mabepi pi abeta mabepi narato sumbuire bono naragere to imukiri chinkoro igoro ochikorumaya iga yarenge machi peta to tumurigeri ko jotara mumanya bono to akumiri kurundi tangani karaba swata tangani abari mbari ngoro mari misiga mari mwakama igo skuru yale okora biya muno boka twachande ba to understand buna abayibori to igwana na gotogo kwana twaja bari bachi torre barenga bari mwabaya tutari ko barusi okongubonde gose magosande lakini bona asemia ketato ya etire twanyare ko bato bwato bokong nonya no korangiri gocha ukwana bari mwe kore shida togo choro na matusi na aroro asaba ibori nabo kora mu kabisa lakini twale melia senginchonga intwe investment yetu na sabana na ndene rutogo cha twacha gukora twacha koligere linga sto invest tirende
onyare ko kunyara koreta matoki arama base skuru eyu lakini nona abaibori batemire kuimukirira igoro botebe skuru yebwata matoki amabera kini abaskari gose abagambi banyara gukanya abaibori twe togo sabase CS machogu atokonye abwatsi no mujumbo ito chaveti mukaya no mu MCO ito batenenere igoro banyara gukonye skuru yentanda
omwana oyo mukuru wa sensema ya bonchali bono nigo bwerere buna ndoto yaye yugochikobu umunyagitari na bera betekerana hayani gagoja magega buna tabu ati skuru visiri arakane irigo swase skuru ya St Paulo igonga iye gotoka sensema yo korengana nere nigateruna nigakoreta matemu akirasi ya gatano gatatu kurende kubatakana no botakabore asenga yabo na bera muireta swase skuru yo asebono asabira abasamaria baya abanyara bawe soki na kumokonya erinde achigo ikirane ndoto yaye yokoba umunyagitari
before tokora matemu kuyona rali litukeri menchara baba kenda gasabo gosi tukarosiro ngoli wono litukori yakabere kuchikokora Kiswahili na science nalina nyote yendo nkabeka munu erongoli bono erinde lyakabere eriria on social bono lina chiete anabogete kedengi arengoro kiringaberi amache nkanyu nandenga ende school numbwato boba sana kwa sababu school eri nyabandangireti nabankwenda lakini rendi school fees ngayeraru yogwakana inerera bemichano kwa sababu kengori eri background yeto teko igabo teko nyara enyone primary yenge shida what about in secondary igabo nengo cha konyora muzigo munene sana.
Changamoto ambao wako nayo huyu kijana ana guardian mwenye anaweza sema ni yeye anamshughulikia, na sana sana ni walimu walikuwa anamshughulikia hapa kwa vitabu chochote kinatakikana. Different teachers ndio walikuwa anamsupport. When we discovered is staying with the grandparent.
Ntokaneti chibese erigo ikirania onsio ayuna mangana kwa nuno mwemusie we wodi ya Monyerero boigo ore committee ya budgeting pitotaji oibono nyarega kwerera emirimo ya BMC ase county ya Kisii asaderuna baisekonya chibese na bara korobo kadio ya ase county ya Kisii
ndakora kupita mchano tachi ndo MCA
weseme kwa Amayia ward kutoka ali kitu cha North constituency naenda se county assembly ni chairman ya budget and appropriation committee ndaga nyote wana assessment ya magendelero aba MC directly kutira staff kanisa tu egasi ya mu kuwakilisha wananchi egasi ya kabere no gwetia machiko egasi ya gatatu no nyapara kwa oversight bono umwe-MC asa okora koreta magenderero ase wodi yae no kwira abantu public participation abantu bate bana michando kibogwate umwe-MC okoba michandili ya yonsi ya abantu bereta ase assembly ya feature ase budget nekro tokoro ase budget ndo wate tuna county integrated development plan ere plan ekoire myaka 5 according to priorities so bona no kubeka plan zitino chi ward yako kulingana na ili ebwate agency gusukura nikora kwa na mama then kurwa kiro mwaka ngoro tuna annual development plan ye umwe-MC kwa tare ebintu byatete kwa sumwa ko ende byaje ku feature ase budget
Odachi boigo niganyareka atabune kiganja kya youth fund na kikere kingenjo aso kwene kya amagendero ase chiwodi
Ewo development fund etinechiwese chirakonye aba MCA wikirania magenderero garia mashinani ekero totality devolution yachete edina magenderero ike igarise asomana chukawaida igone chiwese chichiko no development fund echiratokonye ko eshwa na magenderero ike gari mashinani igenari usaba toshirikiana na aba MCA bantu toshirikiana no mugavana wetu no museneta tusugumire edinde tutuare ewo development fund ye na ndi Kisii county ga 18 bill ego chigwetia ewo development fund ye yarwete asako kuna CAF the county assemblies forum lakini already tunatokuana chikaunti kuna Kenyaga chikaunti kuna Kakamega migodi na Nairobi nchiko hata ewo development fund aino siko na kuna Kakamega osikuri Kakamega magandara kwa kane toro igara mange kubwa chikaunti chichini because of what they say from ewo development fund abese nechikunya akara magenderero ya kuamini asenge nchongo chukobekana ase wodi yao gento fikirita kwa ebe to kwata mutaji to kwata chugodi ko norana aramanga abandi mulobekira manja kigati abandi bugwati manje kabisa so no mutumike bese oro
kubatekana no kunyorwa ho gotumukibese kurwase kiganja kanege serikali ni gabana okeirira bokorero bobase county au kaokono mugabana we county ya Kisii Paulo Simbara tina deruna okonyoro gwekibese ni gukwirana na magendera tina egiye kwirana na bakori emirimo bakorokorobekana gose bagire emirimo asense manyabagitali yikwirana nye nabamenyi gose abarwaire gosiri obugima bwabo sebona abodi serikali kwene kibina gotomere kibese ujasti county eriyo bokorari kogendera county au
think that soon they release money. There are counties who have not received now disbursement for 4 months. You expect these people to pay salaries, and I'm concerned, especially the doctors, who at most of the times that if they don't have salaries, they down the tools. The effect of it is that many people lose lives.
Abonjoro likorwa se jiro ya urba kiye gotoka se taoni ya Kisumu gose county Kisumu nikabona barobekera ba kane na batabuna mbari kwikonganya korwa senseme ya saba kwa bonjiri na banya kare county etakire ko banganya korwa senseme na kubaira asanga korengana barbo ne bateruna babere bakora ubonjiri bwa basege getambe nandi bayise korwa sabu na barachika ba mbakore byasara byabo boronge.
Hata aliona tuko na njaa, akatoa kitu kidogo akatupatia. Imekuwaje leo tutoke hapa? Akina nani inafaa wauze kwa hii soko? Tumevumilia sasa hii watu wa magari kubwa kubwa miguu kubwa kubwa. Tunaomba hivi. Wako wapi? MP wetu Oron uko wapi? Mwana uko wapi? Tusaidie. Hii soko Hatutoki.
Jina naitwa Merigoreti.
Enzemo ya barai be dini ya Islam ni gwana ba motogiro murai bwense Dr. William Ruto anekrawate abuna umurai bwense ni gaba inyura buna barabu ba Islam na koba amabaga yebiro awao hasa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Dr. Samuel William Ruto kwa kumchagua na kumpendekeza kijana wetu muaminifu Muhammad Abdul Qadir bin Daghar kuwa katibu wa kudumu katika Wizara ya Uchukuzi. Kwa hakika ni shukrani kwa Allah na rais, na tatu, yeye huyo aliyechaguliwa tumshukuru yeye.
Nchi ya Kenya hatujapata permanent secretary katika position kubwa katika serikali zote isipokuwa serikali hii.
Haibano naro alenga Chinsa Ikomi kondinyora na gekora gense ya mabana margoba ojikonyora yomona mange banandete gwate kurumina iskia Gusii na bali kibaito bago bagandete ko kwariganeria endeke ka Chinsa jugo ske kense ya maji go sansa merane kara ojikoretwa asode na ivorino sero kero yaragire ense ya bono ko bodwa na gendera ko bwati meroberi andi Steven Robwansu wa Gusii oyolenga sensa meri mo lwe manyerio Joshua Auta no yone kuna mali gine chibicha go jira senjera ya bene abgairi nyanchama kereriane lire Brighton Makori.